Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we built the y-axis. In this video, we are building the z and x-axis and the extruder and hot end carriage. I made a scratch 3D printer to print these parts, but you can print them online too. Take the x-axis pieces with a place for a coupler and screw in the bearing. Now take the x-axis motor attachment and screw in the motor. I put washers because my motor shaft wasn't long enough to put the gate pulley upside down. But if you have a longer shaft, then do that instead of putting the washers. Take two 370mm 8mm rods and attach the coupler. Take the hot end carriage and put 3 linear bearings like so. Place the carriage and then place the motor attachment. Place the 2 linear bearings each in their slots in the x-axis. Now take the frame and drill holes according to the frame PDF. Now attach the x-axis motor mounts and z-axis end attachments. Place the 320mm smooth rods into these along with the x-axis. Screw in the z-axis motor. Take the hex nut holder and place the 5mm hex nuts in it. Take 330mm 5mm diameter threaded rods and screw the hex nut holder and place it in like so. Do it on the other side too. Screw the hex nut holders into the x-axis. Then place the GT2 belt. First I used a 5mm diameter cube as a Z-axis coupler, but it didn't seem to stay. So I printed the coupler out, but it still wasn't strong enough. So I used metal ones. Place the x-axis and stop. Now let's build a hot end and extruder carriage. The bearing and gear for the extruder were in the actual sizes, so I had to modify the STL files to make them work. This piece should swivel freely. Place the NEMA 14 motor. Take a screw and place a spring and washer like so and screw it in. This part makes sure that there is a force between the gears and the filament to prevent it from slipping. Place the 45mm PTFE tube. You may want to make an angle cut so that the filament can enter easily. Now place the V6 hot end and screw it in. Attach a 30mm fan. Screw in the fan shroud for the blower style fan and place the proximity sensor in the holder opposite to the heatsink cooling fan. Screw in the hot end assembly to the X carriage. In the next video, we will be making the final touches and electronics. Thank you for watching.